Assalamu alaikum. I am Tahir Jafri Abu Motbar, your mathematics teacher. आज हम जो है वो कुछ मैथमेटिक्स की नई ट्रिक्स लेकर मैं हाजिर हुआ हूँ। इससे पहले आपको मालूम है, एज यू नो, आई शेयर्ड मैनी मैथमेटिक्स वीडियो रिगार्डिंग द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ट्रिक्स, बट आई थिंक द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ट्रिक्स नाउ and some other tricks regarding the summation, subtraction, multiplication और division. इस मेथड में स्टूडेंट्स इस मेथड में हम ये देखेंगे कि किसी भी मुश्किल वर्ड्स को या मुश्किल नंबर्स को हम आसान नंबर में चेंज कर लेते हैं और उसको आसानी से फिर हम मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट भी कर सकते हैं, ऐड भी कर सकते हैं और डिवाइड भी कर सकते हैं। तो सिर्फ तरीका ये होता है कि उसको आप मैथमेटिक्स के अंदाज से जो है पूरी तरीके से वाइज करें। यानी अगर किसी साइड पे आप ऐड कर रहे हैं तो फिर दूसरे नंबर में आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा ताकि वो बैलेंस हो जाएगा। इसी तरीके से अगर आप कहीं पे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो उसको आप दूसरे नंबर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे उसी सेम नंबर से, ताकि वो नंबर की शक्ल तो तब्दील हो जाए, आपकी ज़रूरत के मुताबिक वो नंबर आ जाए, लेकिन उसकी जो हैयत है वो तब्दील ना हो और आपका आंसर जो है वो एज़ इट इज़ रहे, जैसा कि आना चाहिए। तो अब देखते हैं, आइए हम अपने लेसन की तरफ चलते हैं। Then students see the new tricks of some summation, multiplication, subtraction or division. The name of this topic is conversion of difficult numbers into easier ones. यानी जो थोड़े मुश्किल नंबर्स होंगे उनको हम आसान नंबर्स में तब्दील करके और उसके तहत जो है हम चाहे उस नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लें, ऐड करना चाहते हैं तो ऐड कर लें, और अगर मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहते हैं तो वो भी हम बआसानी कर सकते हैं। Keep in mind this process based on the changing of the difficult numbers into the easier ones, so that we can add, subtract, multiply or divide them fastly or in easier ways. For example, if we want to add 29 and 36, you know, these are difficult numbers and it is very, I think it is not easy to add them simply. Conventionally, you can see here 29 plus 36. Now we have to add them 9 plus 6, 15, 5, 1 carry, 2 and 3, 5 and carry 1, 6, 65. In this way we can add them, but according to the shortcut method, shortcut mathematics, we will change them in the easier numbers. So let's say 29 में अगर हम एक ऐड कर दें तो 29 plus 1 will be 30, and similarly if we subtract 1 from 36, that will be 35. Now the numbers change into easier ones. 29 change into 30, and similarly plus 36 change after subtracting 1 from the 36, it changes to 35. Now we can see it is very easy to add them. Just we have to add 30 and plus 35. Then 30 and 30, 60 and plus 5 means 65. So I think it is easy to add rather than 29 plus 36. We take another example. If we want to multiply 28 by 15, obviously it is not easy to multiply 28 by 15. Let's see here. 28 multiplied by 15. I have to multiply completely 5 at the 40, 0, 4 carry, 5 to the 10 and 4, 14, 1 at the 8 and 1 to the 2. 0, 4 and 12, 2, 1 carry, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 3 and 1 carry, 4. It means when we completely multiply 28 by 15, we will get 420. Now let's see how can we solve it by shortcut method. Just the same process as which we applied in the summation of the two numbers. We change the difficult numbers into easier ones. How can we change 28 and 15 into the easier numbers? Just halve the 28. Half means divided by 2 is equal to 14. And when we halve the first number, then we have to double the second number. When we double 15, then we have to multiply it by 2, and which makes 15 to the 30. Now instead of 28 and 15, we got the numbers 14 multiplied by 30, which are comparatively easy numbers. And the multiplication of these numbers 14 and 30 is, I think, very easy. Let's see. 14 0 the 0 and 14 3 the 42. This is our required answer, and students, you can see there is no difference between the answers when we multiply 28 by 15 and when we multiply 14 by 30. In the both cases, we got 420 answer, and it means there is no difference between the 28 into 15 and 14 into 30. In both cases, the only numbers has been changed into the easier ones, and to change these numbers into easier numbers, the multiplication also becomes easy. Students, we take another example. 37 multiplied by 9. आपको मालूम है कि किसी भी चीज़ को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना बहुत आसान है. इसी तरीके से 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करना इजी है, 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना इजी है, क्योंकि जस्ट हमको उसके साथ जिस नंबर को भी हम 10 से 100 से 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे होते हैं, तो जस्ट हमें उसके साथ उतने ही ज़ीरो लगा देने होते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, if we multiply 37 by 10, it means because 10 have one zero, therefore 37 के साथ एक ज़ीरो हम लगा देंगे और ये हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा. Similarly, when we multiply 37 by 100, because 100 has two zero, therefore we have to put 2 0 with 37, and that will be the आंसर एंड सो ऑन। इसी तरीके से अगर हम 1000 से करेंगे तो हमें 3 ज़ीरो लगा देने होंगे, 10,000 से करेंगे तो 4 ज़ीरो लगा देंगे। इसी तरीके से हम आगे अपना काम करते रहेंगे। तो ये बात वी नो ऑलरेडी दैट द मल्टीप्लिकेशन अ नंबर बाय 10, 100, 1000 एंड सो ऑन इज़ वेरी इजी। So therefore, in this case, we have 37 multiplied by 9, which is, I think, not easy to multiply. Therefore, we have to break a number into 10 and minus 1, which is 9. So therefore, 37, we can write here 10 minus 9 instead of 9. Sorry, 10 minus 1. Because 10 minus 1 is equal to also 9. So therefore we can put 10 minus 9 instead of 9. Now we can multiply easily 37 multiplied by 10. As I told you that 10 has 1 0, therefore we have to put 1 0 with 37. This is 370 and plus minus minus 37 banda, it's very easy, 37. Now just we have to subtract 37 from 370. Let's see. 370 and minus 37, 10 इसमें से ले 1 इसमें से लेंगे तो 10, 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 6 रह जाएगा ज़ाहिर है यहाँ पर, तो 6 minus 3 is also 3 and 3 as it is we can write here. So therefore our required answer is 333. तो स्टूडेंट्स आपने so students, you have seen these are very special tricks, and I have told you that how can we change the difficult numbers into the easier ones, and we can after changing into the easier numbers we can easily and fastly add the numbers, multiply the numbers, subtract the numbers, or divide the numbers. Then students, I think inshallah you will find it very beneficial, and in your daily life, in your daily mathematics life, you can use it. By mentally you can solve your little summation, little subtraction, multiplication and division. Students, I had burned midnight oil to make these videos, but this is my responsibility, and I want to tell you something new, or inshallah in the future I will share you some more tricks to change this to change the process, the difficult numbers into the easier ones, and you will find inshallah it's beneficial. I advise you to use in your daily life. Students, like my channel Khabardast Math Mentor and subscribe it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.